she's a hardcore bitch.
I'm trying to do an unboxing over here. I have a punk for a kid.
Oh, I was just playing music.
You're a punk. Such a punk. All right, let's do this in fast motion. Saran wrap. Oh my God. All right, I'll behave myself now. Sorry. Oh my Lord, there's like 89 layers of saran wrap. God love the seller. Oh, I'll tell you the backstory. So I saw it. It was just listed as a buy it now. I had about 59 seconds to decide whether or not to buy it. And I bought it because I figured it was like Lord of the Rings. You know what I'm saying? Lord of the Rings. You savages out there would grab it before I did, but I didn't know if it was any good or not. And I just wanted to take it off the market as soon as possible. So I didn't have any competitors. And then if I go back later on and had to buy it now and it's gone, I'll be disappointed in myself. All right, so it was filthy dirty in the picture. And what? What happened just now?
What?
Is everything okay?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm still doing my unboxing. I'm sorry, what'd you say?
No, I'm having anxiety.
You having anxiety? Like as in an attack?
No.
Panic attack? So I do not know who she is. Now, I'm not a Cameo expert. I can assure you. I mean, I know something about cameos, but who is she? Okay, so we got the clues. Okay, we got the clues. This is antique. She's got wings in her hair. What appears to possibly be a helmet on her head. Medusa had wings in her, well, she had snakes in her hair also, but I heard that before she became Medusa, she was nice or something like that. I think she was nice. I don't know. And then something happened. I think Perseus slayed her, and then cut her head off, and then her hair turned into snakes, and then the wings disappeared, and then he killed her. He slayed her, and then Pegasus was born. Yes, Pegasus the flying horse was born. I actually took a mythology class in school. They had mythology. When I was in 7th grade, mythology. I took that. It was better than gym. Okay, it also could be Athena, the goddess of wisdom. It could be Minerva, the opposite of Mars, the messenger. Or it could be Nike. Nike, just do it. Remember, the sneaker, just do it? They got their name because it means victory. It actually means victory. And Nike has wings also. Who is this? Well, first, let's clean this darn thing. How old is it? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. I think this was a replacement. The brooch part, I think this was a replacement for the 20s or the 30s. I don't know. The pin does jut out past the frame. Victorian ones usually jut out past the frame, but it also could be a 20s or 30s one. But I don't know. It looks really old to me, and I think that the pin back was replaced. All right, let's clean it with some Simichrome. We'll do that in fast motion. It has an odd mark on the bail. I don't know what that stands for. Does anyone know? Could this be actually gold? I don't know. I don't know if you can see that little mark. You can see my skin cells, that's for sure. The mark is right on the back of that bail. All right, we're going to do a little test. A little gold test. I really don't think. I mean, come on. How could I get for like $70 real gold? All right, let's check it out. Oops, the pin just struck me in the finger. Probably pinchback, which is not real gold. All right, so we're going to start out with the lowest amount, which is 9K. We'll do a little stripe of 9K. Then we'll go to 10. The gold is still there. I don't know if we're having a reaction. Not sure. All right, so now we go to 10. It's still there. Now we're going to go to 14. Let's go to 14. If it dissolves, it's not gold. It's not 14. Okay, it dissolved at 14, so we don't go higher. Let's take a look at this. All right, so this is 10 karat gold. All right, so I'm so glad that we cleaned it up. Well, I cleaned it up, and it's 9 karat rose gold, which is amazing. It's probably Victorian, probably 1890s. The back was probably replaced, the pin back. And who is it? I have no clue, but I did oil the shell. You need to oil your shell with food-grade mineral oil. Let it soak in and then buff it. Leave it in a non-dry place, because if you leave it in a dry place, it's going to crack and get stress cracks. You don't want your shell to get stress cracks. But who is she? And I'm so glad that I pounced on the buy it now, because if I didn't pounce on that buy it now, somebody else would have had this. It was filthy, dirty, and I didn't really like it too much at first. Now it's so beautiful because it's clean. And I thought it was really in worse condition than it was, but it's actually beautiful. Look at the carving. Look at the wing. I don't know if that's a helmet and a coronet. Maybe a coronet on her forehead, like a crown. Is this victory? Is this, yeah, there's Greek and Roman versions of the gods. Is it Athena? Is it Nike? Is it Minerva? I don't know. You tell me in the comments below. I would love to know. Not a Cameo expert. But I scored big at like I think $70 for this because it is solid gold and it's amazing. Look at that. See how shiny the back of the shell is? We have oils on it now. And now it's nice and shine. Guys, I'm back. Guess what? I got punked by the 1800s. I got trolled by the 1800s. It turns out it's Perseus. It's not even a woman. I thought this was a woman. Wait, can we zoom in on this? Okay, so this is Perseus, a man. He slayed Medusa. Okay, I'm going to show you a picture of Perseus. And yeah, same, look at that, the same like helmet with the wings. And yeah, I talked about it. Didn't I tell you the story about Perseus? He's the guy that slayed Medusa, and then from her slaynness, you have to say unalive nowadays. After he unalived her, Pegasus was born. So yeah, we got punked gender-wise. Yes, this is a gender fluid. Wait, what is this? A gender reveal, and not a cameo reveal. It is an actual gender reveal cameo episode. I'll see you guys all on the next one. This is insane. Oh my God, I definitely, totally got punked by the Victorians.